If you're wondering how you can put your iPhone into diagnostics or repair mode, so in this video I will show you the exact method on how to do that. First of all, just make sure that your iPhone is not on the beta version of iOS. Now, if your iPhone is on the beta version of iOS, just download the public version of iOS on your iPhone. After you do that, then go to your home screen and power off your iPhone. For that, just press and hold the side button and the volume up button at the same time. After you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. Now just slide to power off. After you completely power off your iPhone, now the next step is to press and hold the volume up button and the volume down button at the same time. Now just press and hold both of these buttons, and while you're pressing and holding both of these buttons, just plug your iPhone into charge. Now just press and hold both of these buttons until you see the Apple logo on the screen. After you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release both of the volume buttons. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into diagnostics and repair mode. From here, just tap on continue, then connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. After you connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi network, now just wait for a few seconds for your iPhone to connect with Apple support. Then tap on agree. Also, you can unplug your iPhone from charge when you enter diagnostics mode. And from here, you can tap on run diagnostics and you can check the hardware of your iPhone. Just like that. After you're done using diagnostics mode, now to exit this mode, just tap on the three dots over here and select exit diagnostics. Tap on exit. And once you do that, your iPhone will reboot and it will exit diagnostics and repair mode. Just like that. And this is how you can put your iPhone into diagnostics or repair mode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.